Hey, what's up, guys? So this is going to be an interesting trip here. I'm going from Texas to South Carolina and North Carolina, and I'll be traveling in the path of a hurricane. So I'm currently in Louisiana right now. The hurricane is supposed to hit tomorrow, and in order for me to get out of here and get into Alabama, which there's no guarantee that it's not going to curve and into Alabama and hit me there, it's currently got upgraded to a Category 2 hurricane, which is 100-mile-an-hour sustained winds. So I need to get out of Louisiana today and at least make it to Alabama and hope it doesn't curve. That's one problem. On top of that, I also got this load here behind me. Take a look. Now, I'm sorry you guys couldn't see what was under it. It's basically aluminum. The shipper doesn't allow recording there. But I got 5 stops. Well, 4 stops and then the final. So that you might as well call it 5. Each one of those stops, I got to untarp, unsecure, so they could take their stuff off, rearrange it, retarp it, resecure it, and retarp it. So, yeah, you guys wondering how it is to be a flatbedder? You're gonna get a taste of it. So I'm in Augusta, Georgia. I'm only 100 miles away from my first drop, and I think I'm going to shut it down for the day, get something to eat, things like that. You know, driving through Georgia, driving through Atlanta there, was probably my easiest time yet. I went through there at about 11 o'clock and I breezed right through there. Anybody that knows Atlanta sucks to drive through. Usually there's some accidents and backups and all that other kind of crap. But yeah, I gotta unload this tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be a real busy day. I gotta do 2 stops tomorrow. And yeah, I'm gonna drink plenty of water tonight and prepare for the morning. I'll see you guys in the morning. Well, good morning. Today's the day. Gotta get this unloaded here. It's gonna take me a couple hours to do. And then we gotta shoot on over to Charlotte, North Carolina and try to get another stop unloaded by noon. I don't see that happening, but you know.
Turn right at the traffic light.
It all depends. It'd be nice if they got a tarping machine here. Now, I'm a new flatbedder, so if you guys got any suggestions on an easier way to do this, please let me know down in the comments. Because the only way I know to do it, the only way that seems sense to me is for me to take my tarps all the way off, unsecure the load, let them do what they gotta do, secure the load back
in
up.
1 3/4 miles.
I gotta
Turn
roll
right
my
on Shop
tarps
Road
up as
Drive.
well so I can put them back on top of the load, unroll them and tarp it. If you know an easier way, like I said, please leave a comment in the description. Yeah, we're about 2 miles out. Try and speed this up till we get there. stop one, I actually got lucky. The way they packed it, I thought they packed it to where it was stacked, and it is packed that way, but it's also packed to where the stops, it seems like, at least for this stop, that they could just take off the back load, and I didn't have to take off all my tarps. So I only had to take off one tarp, roll my other ones kind of back, and then let them take their stuff off, re-tarp. Unfortunately, they wouldn't let me... Quiet. Unfortunately, they wouldn't let me record there. I have a feeling that's going to be the same scenario at the rest of these places. So unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to bring you guys along with me. But yeah, that's going to do it for this one here. And if you like the content, like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you know when my next video comes out. And I'll see you guys soon. Take it easy.